today we're doing a video about making my 5 favorite recipes for breakfast. And I'm going to tell you about how we're going to make it. First we're going to need granola. So how we're going to make it, our first recipe is granola. And we're going to get it so much fun. Mixing up some things together. Well, I'm going to just move this for a sec. Okay, time to put you right here. First I have this. It's oats and brown sugar. Well, let's just get started. Let's make some nice fresh breakfast. Recipe is going to make a shake, and you know it's good for you. We're going to eat at the end of the video. Next we're going to do the shake. The shake has banana, strawberry, kale, raspberry, and beets, and we have oatmeal, milk, ice, vanilla and honey, and peanut butter. And this is for, if this doesn't have no more, we can go mix it up together. Banana. We're gonna be getting some safety products. Please ask for a grown-up for help. Let's get into the blender. My mother's gonna put it in the blender. We're going to mix it up together. Oh! It looks so delicious. What? Some inside. So good. We made popsicle shakes together. It looks so delicious. And I hope I can eat it because And this is what the shakes look like. We are making a parfait. Our third recipe is called parfait. Just said it. Well, first I have the granola that we made earlier. And then we have bananas and strawberries, and we have a glass of milk. Vanilla candy, I love it. We have a Dannon yogurt with no sugar and Nesquik. And first I'm gonna add, time to get this. Let's put the Dannon yogurt inside. I just got 1 scoop inside, then I put another. Mix it together. Ah! Okay, next the Nesquik. Let's put this away. And this too. I'll just put it on top of here. Time to get some bananas inside. Got 2. Oopsies. Okay, strawberries. Make sure it looks nice. Ta-da! I'm gonna grab some granola right here. Just add some little bit pretend cheese. Just like a pizza. So yummy. I loved it. I love the granola. Ta-da! Not yet, ta-da. Right here. And remember this side. Yep, I think that's it. That's perfect. Now just now time for the chocolate. Ooh, yummy. I love this. Yum. We made all our recipes. We had granola, Dannon, which is us over there. And look at how. Hey! I'm gonna make some rose pink pancakes with eggs and pancake powder, oatmeal, milk, and then we have the other stuff. Let's just make it. To ask for help to go to that. Let's put the oatmeal inside right here. Evil nature. Oh yeah, I think that's much. And then next I'm just gonna put the eggs inside. Egg. Next I'm gonna put a little bit of the milk. Bananas. 1, 2, 3. Time for this. Put it inside. I'm gonna put it, then mommy's gonna mix it. Mommy already sprayed the thing for the pancake, and I'm gonna add this pink mixture. Please ask for a grown-up's help, and I'm gonna just get started. Let's mix. No, I have the pancake set and ready. I'm gonna add strawberries and syrup. Come on, Sylvia. And syrup. We're going to be doing a healthy breakfast egg muffin. Okay, first I'm going to mix the eggs. It's just like slime. Just gotta see all the parts yellow. No white parts. That's actually just light for now. I've got bread, whole wheat bread, and cheese, non-fat cheese, turkey bacon, mixed eggs, and olive oil, no-stick cooking spray, salt, and pepper. Mix it all together! Please don't touch. There it is. Looks so good. I'm gonna add the turkey bacon to the egg. Perfect mix. I'm gonna cut the bread in my hands. I really don't do it well. I know that. I'm just, I don't know really how to cook yet, but I'm just learning when I'm 8. I'm 8 years old. You know that. I'm gonna put it in the first pan right here. Now, let's go put it in the oven. Yay! I gotta talk about this shake, how I like it. And I really like it because it's healthy and it's protein. And if you made my shake, make sure to send pictures to me and make sure to like and subscribe. Let's eat! Wait. I eat all the strawberry.